Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking crispy, creamy pork. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to flatten and tenderize our pork. I have with me over here a total of 280 grams of shoulder butt. I've already flattened some of it into sizes like this. This is how it looks like. And I'm going to show you how I did this. Just using the back of your knife, just do this. Flip it to the other side. It will become about twice the size of the original piece. Okay, this is nicely done. We'll just cut this into half. And this is how it looks like. Now we are going to marinate our pork. Add in 1 tablespoon of fresh young ginger juice. This is derived from grating ginger. Young ginger looks like this. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Just using your hand, mix this up well together first. Make sure they absorb all these sauces that we add in. Once this is done, add in a few dashes of white pepper powder. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them up again. We'll add in the egg white from an egg. Mix them up. Now we'll add in 3 tablespoons of cornflour. Mix them up well. Rub the meat against the plate. You want them to be coated with the cornflour. If it's too dry, add in a little bit of water. Just add in bit by bit. Add in about 1 tablespoon first. Now we drizzle some oil, about half a tablespoon. Mix them up well again. And we'll marinate this for around half an hour or so. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll shallow fry our pork. Make sure that the oil is hot. Using a bamboo chopstick, put it in. If the oil is sizzling like this, that means it's hot enough. I'm using medium heat right now, so you can do the same. Important thing to remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Place the pork in gently. Try to spread the pork out so that they can cook evenly. We just need to fry the pork until they are light golden brown. Because they are very thin, so they will cook very easily. I'll be doing a double fry. There's 2 reasons why I want to do so. One is to get rid of the excess oil, and the other one is, of course, to make it crispier. If you cannot fit everything in a pan, you can always fry them in 2 batches. All right, look at the beautiful color. Remember not to turn off the flame when you remove the pork from the pan, otherwise the oil will be lodged inside the pork. Some of the pork are ready, so if it's golden brown like this, we'll just remove it first. Continue with the second batch and I'll show you how to double fry later. Now we'll do our double fry. I'm using medium-high heat now. Make sure that the oil is smoking hot. Put everything in. This will take only about 20 seconds or so. We just want this to be a very beautiful golden brown color. Now I can feel that they are actually getting very crispy. Even on its own like this is very good too. We'll start removing the pork now. Once this is done, remove most of the oil, just leaving some of the oil in, and I'll show you how we prepare the sauce. Now we will prepare the sauce. Heat up your pan at medium-low heat. Add in about 5 cloves of garlic chopped. Add in 15 grams of butter. Stir them around first. Don't turn the heat up too high. If the pan is smoking like this, turn the heat down again. You want to get the maximum flavor from the garlic. Next, we'll add in 1 beaten egg yolk. Slowly pour it in while stirring at the same time. We'll add in 200 milliliters of evaporated milk. Right now I can turn the heat up to medium or medium-low. Stir them and bring the sauce to a boil. When it starts to bubble on the edge, we'll add in our curry leaves. 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now in the event you do not have curry leaf, you can just add half a teaspoon of curry powder. That would be nice too. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. And also 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Thicken the sauce up a little bit. Wow. Smells really good. Right, now we turn off the flame, add in our pork, and mix them up well. Make sure that they are coated, and this is going to be so good. All right, time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. A layer of crispiness on the outside. It's really creamy. I can taste the curry leaves, the garlic. Really a very nice dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking crispy, creamy pork. So let's start cooking.